Hello and welcome. You're watching dbmnTv. This is Mona Lisa Rambai, brings you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Grace Kharpuri in action with KHADC inspects Yodelang. Hitu pleads with the government to assist underprivileged students. Consumption of preserved fish hospitalizes dozens of people in Garo Hills. And DCIC provides a platform for local units and enterprises. And now the news in detail. On the 11th of May, the EM in charge of Market, Grace Mary Kharpuri, along with the Executive Committee of Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, went down to Yaudo to inspect the kilo deduction of agricultural items produced by farmers in Yodelang. Also present in the inspection includes Rangkansai Kharbuki EM Trade, Tebor Pathau EM Building, Jambor War EM Elaka, the SAM of Himam Malim, Paim Aina Manik's aim, along with officers from the Enforcement Department and the police authorities. Grace Kharpuri spoke in person with the farmers and traders in Yodelang, and she urged them to come to a concession and negotiate amongst themselves so that both the parties will gain benefit from their job and not the other way around.
Yet on siya bandon kano ejipati sa puga nga plastic abin bakada pante yung luma ide kan nga plastic kat pakadon kun sa wat ya kata nga ejipon siya ya kabaro inombi bat inombi mide ya kabalya trailer na kapta kejibit yang yung pat yung pi kung kayi bajut
kajingwan kajongi hangi kadi halor ka kajing ut kinong rep hadin ka bangi ngila dep yeshong ka meeting ka bamenin kasngi kaladon karai na barok kinyang ka bangin wan hida lagi hakas spot ban yui kata kajinge ka bakita kinong rep kimat ha bayle ba ko kinong wilayah dep pendet apa yang kinong rep kinong kayi kidi bendon kajinge songku jimut ba kinong rep ru kidi ben songku aba ki ai kimar ki joki chi kinong kayi ru kinum mo yabja hagju ka poru kinong rep ru bakimde de ban dunong ndai jingsha kala don ka order na ka office ka jong ka hima meliam adu hajar handai kabla penmi ka office ka jong hima meliam balakang ya ka kilo ndai pat kin thau tang ya ki kriya bat ki borni jadi hangta bikin sala ban thiet ki mar ki jong ki amdei shu ban chuat lam sam be into na comments kem bakani ka jingwan ka jongi hakani kasni kalong ka basay so but nakaliang ka jongi ru mikir pa rep ya kinong rep but aga jo ka poru ya kinong kayi ka bagkin ya tray lang nakajing sutu namar ba pi nakapor siya kapor inawan kijing ujon abakado siya kano kahima malim siya kano ka district council ti kan pau shairu siya par kumbanging imle kata ka di ka way ka ba ngiru ngikwa banay ka message ba nakaliang ka council amday ka bangi ni susyong kalangti ka bangim don ka tagajing smokia nday ka bangi smokia nang takadaw bangi sawan nday hindi ba ang bangi wan mentaro banong lesi basuan na bata kanu kanu kadaw nday pero siya katong ila tri ka kam namar ka kam la ka kam banyak lesi mo ka basuan siya madan madia ka basuya ini na kapor siya kapor kami kamlong hiru bangiru ngin chuan mar bangiru ngibon kami ngingets kem bahapo kajing pet jingkni jong kahima melem hi bangingets kem banang ni syakmat kanum dan kanu kajing ujor
kong luar bangi itu wala da mentai menteri kami kata lei mana pun ka komisi authorized sino pa pek permani kata kajing ya long ya shai long transparent apa lagi nong rap kinong khayi
kani te kadihi ka hima melem ni kan kadi makate ka mo kasul authority bomba haban pet tingi tak kinong ni ba kinong ayu mo kadi ka hima melem ni ka bade ben pet ya kata
isu tu
kat bentah isi hadin bengilayo ya komplain nak liang kipai pa nong rep ha ka biadai pat kejing syakot kilo po yudo tingis ngeu ban ong bahne ka singi layo ban wajurip lari ki jong ikman ban yu iya kata Bat ni layo ru ia ka bania interact bati nongrep haring kat bagi nong di banang ne sakmat kam desu banduan kaji wat kilo. Bat ia kane ngin pentrui kam habaro away ka jurisdiction jongka district council. Bat kat ba ompat yo ya ka asen na gobernur nagaliang ka executive committee jongka Khasihil Autonomous District Council ngin sa penmi ya executive order makanya kijing wat kilo kamde tang hapo ikut usam jongka himamlim uwe kan day bet habaro away ka sidilore.
Giyaw jo konsep.
Baro
Baru kita apa ke jurisdiction juga council.
Kandiat tayo ng iba UCM awan ng iyo. Dito kesan-kesan luar kendang ginong di Medan. Rem tah dia ilang gitu-gitu ibre Shillong ke ibre dunau.
Kadi kata i mentaka sengi balai banyi wan beng ngi wan beng la ban ono ajumi ka kentin ke baki o tang sulai kinong chet te kemut ki la ya song beng jadi halori taima mentangi layo de ya kaban lek di bisit beng ban pet la kadang don ne pat kum bakalong kilayo i le jong kikman ngi layo i belajan nearly 10% kebut kim bronch ngapai piakan mau last week kapor binyawan kemut kinong di Medan ibun. Patu bakalong mentangi yu iba. Bila syong deki kasih jongi.
Idang don gi berjelangi sehila jong ikmal.
Yu iya kata, way atau di gidukan dak baburom nang ban umpun bakalayu pajpa. Nakali yang jongi ngila instruct enforcement bagi daiban ha beng no order. Pat dai tamataka sengi. Kane ka rutin gede checking kanang ya ka force ka force. Patkan dai tang po indo oleh habaro away ka put usam jo ka Khasihil Autonomous District Council.
Due to the absence of proper policy on the education schemes or special education schemes pertaining to unfortunate students belonging to underprivileged families that will aid them to pursue their further studies, Donbok Dakhar, president of Hnyautrep Integrated Territorial Organization, submitted a request to the Deputy Chief Minister Snyabalang Dhar to plead with the minister that the government should pay attention to the matter so that it will benefit the youth of the state who belong to underprivileged families. Snyabalang Dhar assured the association to raise the issue and bring it to the Chief Minister's notice.
Ni naga kunhon jongka hito bapenya ka imlang salang apo ga jela brinyo prep menjuru jela mekla mentaka sini wan kendo halor kadeka memorandum lane kata ka dorkas representation bagi ai show menteri rangba lingba sembut menteri rangba jongka ne ka jela hagani ka memo kadai na ka benta bansna di kita ki an ki polisi banyo ia kinja scheme lani kita ki school ka biaya benta jongka education scholarship kenang begini ki kena dibawan na kalong yang kebedok ki benang ki start ki badan kata kalakam ki ban yach khmat ni wan halor kata ban semua ki ba ki de bensna no ka ka polisi ka ba biang kenang begini ki kena ki bamla ban pulia ya kata ka further studies kin la ban pulia leng ba ga jingaram jeng government te kani ka topik min la benong ka dei ka bla slam ba ndai 4 juton bakran ta ngi ban sing ya ban kran ni la i bu lingba ka lat ka wei ka lat thai ku bor ka Shillong mail ka la man ra i ka to ka be dei bet tu ban hon lang khong riat ta ngi ba ku noi la ban smu she ka lat thai ku bor mla shpon pulia den bai la ya pi pa pat ye i ru ha por bi dang pulia ya ka 11 12 tu la kersan ka social welfare ta ngi smu ba kum ka seng bangi la pe teng ba bon ki ba shamji na ki ba pule tingala kanturu ngela karpar no deputy CM bon principal CM hakle gadni gor khar chumi ba deputy CM laom ba yamanta lawan CM on place ya kane bat kin ya kran bat kin ya ngam bat kin pe ada kila dep kantop na em ya kane ka ki points ki bangi la ai hapo kata ka ki kila kantop na em ya kane ka memorandum ne kita ki point ki bangi ai hakata ka education policy ki ba principal ta hakane hi ngadang ya kran bat ngol la principal lem chu menteri rangba bakin kat bakin padon kata ka polisi kino ki kena ki belawan si khamat ki bamla su bandit pulia ya ka further studies so bahaba ni arab ki lingba ka chief minister fan ani re ki kinja scheme lani ki fan ki ba pher jong sarkar jela hangni ka memong ni la ka ba lingba ka ni ka scholarship ka bakin ai karpang ye ki tu ki kena ki bawan naka longyeng nambar ba habe education policy bila i plakn china de ba jong ka state ka jong ka central ru ki ka kham simkran ya kini further studies yang di college but ni kenturu yu menteri rangba udah ban include ya ke academic hapo reservation policy nang ba kenjo la kini samla kan ban kuliah nang nes mat lada ki khang lada ka kim lada ka khang kata kala yaki
Kaya ka sura
tiam tu ukran be wang ba ya kan ni kumbang ong mine un dalawan usiam un yesu un kin yeshong ha cabinet kin ya kran ya kan ni but kin check leng ba education policy lada kila don gitu ki points hang ni te ko maki kin pe lada kam don kin sukun thop but ki ong kin sa coordinate direct yangi but kin sa pha ru leng ba kamir but nginum shong kiti ngin bodiat dalawan usiam ngin sa sik dengan openment mangin panjing syai lado kin penteri ka kam na em te lada kin penteri kam kumba jaman ko por ngim ban slingi haban mi madan bandawa namar hagatu ko por pengimi samadan ban jalap election bangin pinsoi ko ba ndai bangi pan ka ekai ringi dawai ka hok namar ba habangi la siu ka khazna syaka sarkar ka kam ram ka sarkar ka de maka ban pisna ngi lada ki konjungi ki ba ban ki school ki de pisna ki school ki college ni kita ke hospital la ngi pam bat ka umbam di kata ka de ka ba ngi ujam skmat ba hakani ka memorandum ni la kren be ka basai ka ba ki de bat pinbiang lada ye ki we ki bawan chane ki la ban pinbiang ki ngi ki la spon sen adu kata kan dan jinge ayu yang ngi ki kon samla jong ko bri nyu trep ken ai kata ka hok ka bangi la dep ai saki bakin kala deir ko pali ba ki de bat pimpai yang ngi tam don ki khana ko jongi ko ba ong de kenten nong bai ki ba wan ka far flang area dan ni kata ka remote village area kim don kata ka accommodation ka ba biang hanre hangne ke jalangi i ba yekiwi ki jat bindre kom ka karbi hostel ki la ban snang te hapo jan panmong te what you is ru ang ni ki ai jaka kumba stengka si square foot tengi ni smau bana kalyang jungi lada yekiwi ki buwan na bar ka sarkar kala ban ai ka bahaman sina ni ngi bahadu kata ba yeki jil jong la jong bon ni yeki bakin sakama bakin jap te kata ni smau ngi wan chakpat ni tho lut hang ni hak po memorandum ngi la pun smau lut nadong sedong pat ngi la smau dei hi bai ko government ka dei ban shem kya ya kan ni pat la ka government kam la ban shem kya tang yim man se kumba phla ina ko por ka issue hi ko bakla shem ka hito kay khon bai hadu ban job khanang ba kalawai ka pateng jong kini samla ki popule kinyo ya kata ka bah ka hok ka jong ki ka batai.
On the 11th of May, a multitude of people who attended a funeral service in Mariampur village of Assam near Adogre in North Garo Hills were hospitalized due to the consumption of contaminated fish. The president of the Archik Organization for Social Welfare exclaimed that more than 160 people who were present in the funeral ceremony in Mariampur collapsed and were unconscious after consuming the fish served in the ceremony. The fish that they had consumed is already being imported into Garo Hills, and it must be strictly checked by the district authorities without delay, otherwise a similar situation is bound to occur. Huge sums of products, especially fish, are being imported into Garo Hills in motorbikes and cars without any scrutiny. Therefore, import of these commodities needs to be closely checked. The organization appealed to the public to be careful while purchasing fish and poultry, since it is being brought in from Assam, where cases of contamination are being reported, including the recent case at the funeral service. The Office of the General Manager, District Commerce and Industry Centre DCIC Ampati organized a 2-day 7th Annual District Level Industrial Exhibition, which was declared open on the 11th of May by the Deputy Commissioner of South West Garo Hills. The exhibition aims to promote and support the various micro MSME unit in the district. The district had potential in tailoring, handloom, weaving, cane and bamboo crafts, and most recently in honey farming. As many as 25 units and enterprises, mostly from within the district, participated in the event. Among these participating units are PMEGP beneficiaries, 2 stalls from Salsela Cashew Cluster, and some of the government officers, District Agriculture Office, District Horticulture Office, and Superintendent of Fisheries Office. The district-level industrial exhibition not only provides opportunities for marketing and business link-ups, but it also provides a platform to the entrepreneurs for knowledge, skill sharing and upgradation. With the onset of monsoon, raging storms occur in several places. Some are accompanied with heavy rainfall, while some with less rainfall. Relatively, 3 houses in Pendengar, West Khasi Hills were unfortunately to have met with a storm that swept away their homes. The houses were left with only the 4 walls with no roofs remaining. Fortunately, none was injured in the disaster. It is a delight for Tomonpo Along, one of the neighboring village of Nongpo, which has a lot of catch-up in terms of growth and development, fortunately received a community hall as one of the improvements it made. The community hall will be utilized by all the residents of Tomonpo for meetings and short gatherings. The community hall was built through MGNREGA and SRWP with an expense of 5.56 lakhs. The community hall was inaugurated by Mayor Bons Aim, MLA Nongpo, who graced the occasion along with the presence of Eric Dakar, BDO Omling CNRD Block, Rihen Klen, Headman, Tomonpo Anglong, and other men and women with youths of the village and the region in its entirety.
Yakni kayeng dovar ngia kermen ba nangni sakmat kinu kikam kiban penya na kani kasnong na kani ka VEC kanya katkum ka jingkwa jung u blay but ngi kermen ru naka office ba hangni penya penlong yaki meeting but yaki plan ba pinsnaru nangni sakmat kan wara ya ka jing roi jing par saka snong bat ka VEC jung pi mo tema ai
sebagai saksi di meeting kami belum cukup bagi komite.
Bola pelak ini banyak penduduk kami. Jika terbasang apa teman penglong ini di dalam terbasang Krisnam di dalam video ini tadi video ini kong balung lim sin di sang basang dari senang beberapa majan kerja sentan lang lembat kinang fungsi ini
ni dapat di sukemen ke crowd bat ni ai ke jingero ya ka VC ke teman penglong ngali ya kibala terima kibala pendep ke kam na komita ke ka indoor bar kibala yo ban sina kibala pendep yang convergence scheme bat MGNRG bat SRWP bat kali kategori na kinuksa di penghatam atau TVE bat kinong yalam sino di orang ba kibala terima ya kam kum ke jumdan ke pusat ke pendep bat ngai ke jingero ke la bat pendep apa po ke biang ya mau kulit ada ban patai di Indonesia sudah abang persian bagi kendu ban pendek na kom ta kom no ban yo ban hirau ya kan ke Shillong ka jing persian na ko benta ban bube kurti ya ki jing dam kam ban penurlong ya ki jing dam kam kidon bun di Shillong ki bujuan mi ya ki ginom ni kemat na kom ta jing dam kam di bun kala bende ki indoor bar kala bende kamaran football kala bende ki school kala bende ka kendro kala bende ka footbridge kala bende ki footpath ki motorball road ki bugun ki jingdon kam kita ka office BO bat ka tata ka SRWP scheme ge jungi kam de scheme ge he ha scheme ge ban job nong kong haus nam arga ka prang yo ar klur ka system warga Satra, warga Kendai, warga Arpo, iyo ark lur ka system. Idan sispa Arpo Kendai dali kisnong nong po constituency. Banadu usnam warga Arpo du Arpo ar ka sorkar haka budget session glasong usnam warga Arpo lapan kiu saka ark lur system. Mentag SRWP galong ark lur system uwe. Lada pin pia ya kani haki di Shillong di babun ki jingdon kam bargoi ke Shillong di don kam ki don shibun ki jingdon kam ndi tan ye dorba kim tan ni application mutan storeroom.com officeadmin.com ilse ka footbridge.com motorball.com ki don shibun ki jingdon kam passengership.com ki don shibun ki jingdon kam de na takadaw gor kom prakhat ka bawan hanga hi kalong bai pa baling im penselur ya ki Shillong bangin de convergence bat kala bande SRWP bat MGNRG kala bande SRWP bat ki scheme na po social welfare la ne na po agriculture na po horticulture na po forest na soil bat kuta te kedi jing sedang dah ki kinja sedang ni kong Bandung la de keren mane no mul kena jero kiwan kada kong hilek convergence kan yarap ag yang marwa naga scheme MLA naga scheme SRWP banira lut barak mla adingin ai subu ya ga tomon po nglong ni bidon kam subu don kam dula nada hanni naga SRWP ai ndula di arkur siteng de tang arpo le kusidong alut mio subu nai wi dingin hab ban sam marmat kendian ding nak takadau habong sam marmat kendian kamut ba ni hab ban ya bersiam lang bat kiwe di scheme di scheme kemen ban balung bagi MGNRG ladem convergence scheme lala ban penurlong umur kedai ladem ban pli mentangi dan hangni hatomon ponglong bat ki barang wan suki mentangi dan ka uden kasi pamrio ka pamrio dokha nanta kon ginang ne wat man tetem hijupun seluruh di Shillong nomor bania bersiam lang tang dak MLA scheme lang di pilong ganuksa Piplayat cekman, bat pilong kan nuksa ke babahatam ye giwe di Shillong lo, awar ke umang nombak kadon ngejing persian, banang pendek yang kini puar bangan. Bat mudah tu kita bersibun ke Shillong, dia itu kini doba, giwe jeruk kam, kelam dia ke FSBO, kelam dia ke motorball bridge, kelam dia ke motorball road, kelam dia ke footpath, kelam dia giwe ngejing jeruk kam, mudah tu, tang baga bakongsan, tang bakwa manga tang bakwa iba erik video tang bakwa ikong balum bakwa wadeu khat kan la banno lada ki job card holder film ai ke jing tuna lada ki job card holder film ye tli film ya be temla marhaba kudi kadi haka general meeting jong VC bin hapan sim ya galai lada ki job card holder ke ba constitute ya VC pilai tli lang baro apa tapi yang mentang isu kemen bahagani ke ying ke besnah ni ke badi nam tak kibi ke bentang kulin ni dong tentang plantation something kan isu je mut haji syah kamu rakan officially temlong ni kalau nak buka tendri haba ya menjur ke bahas kamu nak buka kamu kongsan social audit wan ni utang haba lebe dah yun.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.